Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we will be touring the Marigold floor plan by Ashton Woods in the Claro Collection in Amarillo Creek, so stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kamusta Kababayans. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. If you are brand new to my channel, guys, I go around all the brand new construction communities and I showcase model homes as well as move-in ready homes. And I also do area tours as well. So guys, do me a favor. If you like what you see, hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all the brand new construction communities here in Arizona, okay? So guys, today I am touring Ashton Woods, and I really love Ashton Woods, guys, because you know, the quality of their build is really, really good, okay? And I'm about to close on a home with one of my clients from California with Ashton Woods, and we just did their blue tape walkthrough, their new home orientation walkthrough, and I was pretty impressed with how clean that walkthrough was, guys. So I love doing Ashton Woods home, and that is exactly what we are going to tour today. We will be touring a plan called the Marigold Plan, okay? It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, guys, in Amarillo Creek in the Claro Collection, okay? The Marigold Plan, guys, you are looking at about a 3-bed, 2-bath, and what's nice is this also has a den with a total of 1,771 square feet, guys. It is a 2-car garage, and it is a 1-story home. What's nice about this home too, guys, one, it is move-in ready. 2, there is a viewing fence in the back, so you have nice views, okay, which is rare. And well, rare to have the viewing fence, right? And then 3, they're offering some really awesome incentives on this plan, which I will go ahead and discuss at the end of this video. Stick around to the end of this video. We'll go ahead and discuss the HOA, lot premiums, who is Ashton Woods builder itself, location wise, so where is Amarillo Creek, and we'll go from there, okay? So with that being said, let's get this home tour started. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm in Maricopa City checking out Copper Sky Regional Park, and I wanted to show you guys how awesome this place is. Check this out. So if you love playing sports, they got a full-on basketball court right outside. They have playgrounds that are shaded for the kids. They have this open field area here, so they have soccer goalies. They have baseball fields over there in the back. They have disc golf as well. They also have like this lake here with a walking path, so plenty of stuff to do. And they also have this aquatic center, so let's go check out the inside of this building. So here's the aquatic center, guys. They have splash pads just right over here. They also have a nice kind of slide here for the kids as well. They have life vests for the kids. So this is really awesome. If you want to do laps as well, all of this is at the Copper Sky Aquatic Center. Okay, guys, so we're going to go check out the Copper Sky Multi-Generational Center is what they call it. And inside here, it's more indoor sports courts. They got a gym, and they have all these stuff available for you guys. Let's go check it out. Oh, this is pretty cool. They have like this easy bar curl for their door handle. That's pretty awesome. Okay, guys, so if you need child watch, they also have child watch care over here inside this complex. So that's really awesome. Oh, see, we can look. And if you go down this hallway, there is a sports court. So indoor basketball is just right over here, as it is 100 degrees outside. You don't want to be outside, but they do have this pretty cool indoor court right here, guys. Okay, and if you head upstairs, they got a pretty sweet indoor track here as well, guys. So you could stay cool, get a good workout in, you know, go on a walk on this indoor track. And they have some really cool weights as well. They got squat racks, free weights. So all this at the Copper Sky Multi-Generational Center. Okay, guys, so the HOA, you are looking at $91.50. Okay, so this community has really nice walking trails that also covers common area maintenance. There's sports courts, and there's also playgrounds for the children. Okay, so that's what that $91.50 covers. As far as average lot size goes, in the Claro Collection, it is about an average lot size of 6,300. Okay, now in Amarillo Creek, there's 3 different collections. There's the Alba Collection, there's the Claro Collection, and then there also is the Soul Collection. Okay, in the Alba Collection, you're looking at about an average lot size of 4,950. Claro, again, 6,300, and also the Soul, about 7,800. Okay, guys, so those are the average lot sizes. Now, as far as Ashton Woods, so they do have options, both structural and also cosmetic, that you can choose from. But they're pretty much a hybrid of that and also spec builders. Okay, so everything essentially is already predetermined, all right? And all the finishes are really, really nice, guys. As far as floor plan goes with the Ashton Woods, I'll go ahead and put them up on the screen so you can see the different floor plans that you can choose from. They have all different kinds of options, guys, ranging from 3-bedroom and above, guys. So it's really, really nice. They also have RV garage options as well. Now, when you choose to go and build from the lot up, okay, now there are some lots that are still available for you to choose from. And if you decide to go that route, guys, just keep in mind it's about an 8-month build out time, okay? So if you get into contract here soon, like let's say for this month, you're looking at about a time frame of February, March completion, okay, guys? So that's like the time period of build out times, okay? So as far as Amarillo Creek and the location of Amarillo Creek, you're looking at about 10 minutes south of actual Maricopa City itself, which is not bad because it's not so congested over there, guys. It's a more quiet neighborhood. It's a family-friendly neighborhood as well. I've been out there multiple times to tour some houses, and I always notice some families, you know, walking their kids or just walking in the neighborhood. And also check out the tot lots, okay, playing in the tot lots. So really family-friendly neighborhood, guys, and it is about 10 minutes south of actual Maricopa City itself. With that being said, you know, you are still very close to grocery stores, you know, retail stores, and amazing restaurants. You're also just down the street from Hailar's Casino, which has another amazing restaurants within the casino. And if you like to play some games, there's your playground, guys. But regardless, still pretty cool place to check out. Maricopa, Amarillo Creek, you're looking at about a 40 to 45 minute drive to the Phoenix Sky Harbor itself. So if you're planning to, you know, fly out, or, you know, relatives flying in, that's about the time frame, okay? What's around Maricopa? Well, you do have Chandler's nearby as well. You have Casa Grande, you have Gilbert, Queen Creek. Those are about 40-minute drive too, okay, guys? Casa Grande, you're looking at about a 20-minute drive. You just take the Casa Grande Maricopa Highway just straight down. So actually right now, especially with this community, guy, or this floor plan, the Marigold floor plan, the house we just toured, they're offering a 4.49% interest rate, fixed 30-year fixed interest rate, with up to $10,000 towards closing costs. So that will essentially pay for all of your closing costs. And with some select homes, there are full appliances included too. So you're talking about range, washer, dryer, refrigerator, and also microwave, guys. So that is really, really awesome, okay? So the Marigold is not the only one with this special promotion, guys, with this special incentives. I'll go ahead and I'll put up a list for you guys, or I'll go ahead and I'll put a link down below in the description so that you guys could see through that list. If you have any questions, or if you want to tour any of these communities, guys, definitely, or tour any of these homes, feel free to reach out to me. I would absolutely love to give you guys a tour and help you on this journey, okay? But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.